A manual transmission helps a car change speed and power in a clever way. It lets the driver choose the right gear, just like choosing the right size of bicycle gear for a hill or a flat road. When a car starts moving, it needs strong pushing power. When it goes faster, it needs less pushing and more speed. A manual gearbox helps make that switch. Inside a manual transmission are gears, shafts, and a clutch. The engine spins all the time when it is running, but the wheels do not always need that spinning directly. The clutch works like a gentle hand holding two spinning plates. When the driver presses the clutch pedal, the engine is briefly separated from the gearbox. This gives the driver a quiet moment to change gears without grinding metal together. Here is a simple picture in words: engine spinning wheel, clutch, gearbox, wheels. Think of the gearbox as a box of different-sized bicycle sprockets. A small gear makes the wheels turn with more force but less speed. A larger gear makes the wheels turn with less force but more speed. First gear is strong and slow. Higher gears are faster and quieter. When the driver moves the gear stick, inside the gearbox, a part called a shift fork helps slide a collar into place. That collar locks one chosen gear to the output shaft. The driver does not usually touch the gears directly. Instead, the gear stick sends a signal through rods or cables, and the sticking out lever becomes a smart selector. A very simple diagram looks like this: engine, clutch, input shaft, gears, output shaft, differential, wheels. Another helpful diagram: gear 1, big force, low speed; gear 2, medium force, medium speed; gear 3, lower force, higher speed; gear 4 and 5, easy cruising reverse; gear changes direction. When a car is starting on a hill, first gear helps most because it gives the strongest push. As the car picks up speed, the driver shifts to higher gears so the engine can work more comfortably. This is why manual driving feels like a dance. Press the clutch, move the stick, release the clutch, and let the engine and wheels meet again smoothly. The clutch is important because the engine and wheels do not always turn at the same speed. If they were forced together suddenly, the car would jerk. The clutch allows a soft meeting, like two people matching their walking steps before holding hands. An automotive technician looks at the manual transmission as a system of teamwork. The clutch connects and disconnects power. The gears change the amount of twist, called torque. The shafts carry that twist through the gearbox. The synchronizers help the gears match speeds before locking together, which makes shifting smoother. So a manual transmission is not only a box of parts, it is a careful power manager. It helps the driver choose between strength and speed, making the car ready for stopping, starting, climbing, and cruising.